southwestern Christian County, Kentucky.
Western Christian County in south central Kentucky, southeastern Caldwell County in western Kentucky, central Tree County in western Kentucky, southeastern Lyon County in western Kentucky until 3:40.
A thunderstorm was located over Energy Lake Campground, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected.
Hopkinsville, Katie's, Energy Lake Campground, Woodlands Nature Station, land between the lakes area, Wranglers Campground, Cobb, Kenton, Rock Castle, and Hawkins. This includes Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 54 and 70. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been...
For your protection, move to an interior room.
For the following counties in Kentucky: Caldwell, Christian, Lyon, and Tree.
The National Weather Service predicted thunderstorms until midnight.